Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make profit from the Blizzard pack that is out right now. So first you're going to go to market, and as we can see, the new Blizzard pack came out. You can even check it in the news a day ago. So I have 0 tokens because I spent them all. I dumped them all on the Blizzard pack. And so look at this. I have too many blooks, right? Right, but this is a seasonal pack because people right now trying to get different stuff like snow globe, the holiday gift, hot chocolate, holiday wreath, and everything. But you can save these up and at least have 20 uncommons, at least have 10 like rares, at least 5 epics, and at least like 3 legendaries. At least. Because if you do that method, what will happen is that people maybe like they're gonna try to keep like one of everything, and then they might accidentally like sell their ghost or sell their werewolf or whatever. But if trading comes out, you can trade them. They're a snowman if they accidentally sell it for a bigger amount of tokens, like 125. The legendaries for like 1,000. So this is really a good strategy to save up right now, and like at least 20, 10, 5, 3. That's what I'm gonna be trying to do. And plus the weekly shop came out, so it's gonna waste more tokens, more players' tokens, because when you open the weekly shop, you don't realize how much tokens you spend. Like, I'm gonna open this. Oh, I got a reindeer thing, reindeer head. But if you start spamming like medieval pack of using these coins, 250, you will realize how much coins you have spent and how that was too much coins spent. And right now, you're spending like on the weekly shop. So people are spending money on this and they don't realize how they run out of money. And then they can't open it, and then the Blizzard pack goes away, and then if trading comes, you can trade them, and there you go, and you'll get more coins than just the normal selling method. So I hope you like this video. You can subscribe, you don't have to, but thank you really much for watching, and have a good day.